This is a really simple Kundalini breath meditation practice that you can do to mitigate the effects of anxiety. It works very quickly to balance the nervous system and the glandular system and really kind of reset you into a state of calm clarity. So let's do a swift tune in, rub your palms together. Press them equal pressure right at the heart center. Take a deep breath in. Focus at the third eye. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. And exhale. All right, so the left palm will come facing the heart center, and the right palm will come onto the back of the left. We want to keep the elbows wide. So we want the heart lifted, shoulders relaxed, and you're going to press your thumb tips into each other. The thumbs represent the ego. We're putting a pressure on the meridian point here that connects into the shoulders. So the eyes, you can either close them or you can just give a little slit of light, 9/10 open. You can decide. And then you're going to inhale a very deep breath through the nose. And suspend the breath as long as you comfortably can, up to 15 to 20 seconds. And then exhale slowly through the nose, empty the breath. And suspend the breath out for up to 15 to 20 seconds, or as long as you comfortably can. And continue like that, deep breath in through the nose. Suspending. Complete breath out through the nose. Holding the breath out. And just keep going like that. Concentrate on the breath. Good, just one more minute here. And take a nice deep breath in. Suspend the breath. Kind of press the thumb tips. Feel a little lift of Mula Bandha, rectum, sex organ, navel, up and in. Channel the energy up the spine towards the center of the brain. And then exhale and just slowly relax the hands. You can bring them to your lap or to your knees. Keeping the eyes closed for another few moments. Just cultivating that quality of awareness, of presence, not thinking, but feeling, sensing, intuiting, allowing. You're welcome to stay here for as long as you like. I'll close the practice here with one long Satnam. Satnam. Satnam.